You are standing on a crowded street corner watching cars sit motionless in a sea of red brake lights. You realize that walking would be faster, but your destination is just a bit too far for a simple stroll. This is exactly where the budget electric scooter market enters the conversation as a serious contender. The VOLPAM model is currently making waves because it hits a very specific sweet spot for price and performance. It is designed for the person who needs a practical solution for that last mile commute. The motor tucked under the deck provides a top speed of about 19 miles per hour. While that might not sound like a lot to a speed demon, it feels quite fast when you are zipping past stationary traffic. The acceleration is notably smooth and very beginner-friendly. It does not lunge forward or try to throw you off the back. Instead, it builds speed with a steady and predictable rhythm. It is safe for daily use on flat roads. Now, let us talk about the battery life, because this is where the numbers get a bit more nuanced. The official claim sits at around 12 miles per charge. However, real-world testing tells a more interesting story. Depending on how much you weigh and how flat your route is, you might actually see anywhere from 16 to 21 miles. If you keep the throttle pinged to the maximum, you will see that range drop quickly. If you switch into the eco mode and take it easy, you can stretch those miles much further. When the juice finally runs out, you are looking at a 4 to 5 hour wait for a full charge. That is a perfect window for a work day or a long evening at home. The ride quality is another major point of discussion. This model uses 8.5-inch solid tires. This is a massive win for anyone who hates maintenance. You will never have to carry a spare tube or worry about a sharp piece of glass ruining your morning. The trade-off is that solid rubber does not soak up bumps like air-filled tires do. You are going to feel the texture of the road. On smooth asphalt, it feels like you are gliding. On old cracked sidewalks, your knees will definitely do some of the work. The deck is stable and wide enough for a comfortable stance. It even includes a dual braking system that combines an electronic brake with a mechanical rear brake for added safety. The fold-in mechanism is another highlight. It snaps down in just a few seconds. This makes it a dream for students or people who need to hop on a bus. It is light enough to carry up a flight of stairs without much struggle. Some versions even offer app connectivity so you can track your stats on your phone. Real users in the community generally praise it for being a reliable workhorse. They love the simple controls and the value for the price. Demand grabs usually center on hill climbing. If you live in a very hilly area, this 350-watt motor might feel a bit underpowered. It is built for the urban jungle, not the mountains. It is a practical transport tool through and through. It is not a thrill machine designed for off-road trails. It is for the student who is tired of walking across a massive campus. It is for the office worker who wants to skip the bus. It supports about 260 pounds, so it is sturdy enough for most adults. If you want a flashy high-performance beast, this is not it. But if you want a reliable, foldable, and affordable way to get around town, this scooter hits all the right notes for a daily driver. It is about making your life easier without breaking the bank. You get a tool that does exactly what it says on the box. It is simple, it is effective, and it gets you where you need to go.